Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. We're going to jump right into this video. I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair, and normally I go in with like shampoo and conditioner, or else I just go in with conditioner. But when I'm at the gym, I like to make it a really quick, easy routine. Sometimes when I'm not doing like a full wash day routine, so I will use my deep conditioning mask as a 2-in-1 conditioner, but it's not conditioner. I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair with the deep conditioner I'm going to be using as conditioner. I hope that makes sense, y'all. Basically, I'm just using my deep conditioner as conditioner. So I'm going to be detangling, doing my routine like I normally do with detangling my hair with my deep conditioner. And I am going to put my hair in my little shower cap that I got from the Dollar Tree, you guys. It's a really nice, convenient shower cap, so I don't have to keep wasting a lot of shower caps, and it has been quite convenient. But in the process of me letting the deep conditioner sit in my hair longer than what I'm letting it sit with me detangling my hair, I also like to do like a face mask or something, just so that I am not just standing in the shower and pretty much wasting time. So I like to grab my oldie but goodie. I've been using this for about 3 months now, and I've absolutely love it. So it's the TEAMI Tea facial scrub, and you guys, I've taken this out of town with me. I've had no problems. I had no breakouts. So this is a pretty good scrub for your face if you're into like the all natural thing, and you know, it's not rough or harsh on your face at all. And I do have a 20% coupon code that I will leave down in the description box for you guys if you are interested. But this is what I like to do, just to let my deep conditioning mask sit on my hair for probably like 15 minutes. Normally, if I'm at home, I let it sit a little longer than that, probably like 30 minutes. But I really don't care for getting in and out of the shower, so this is one of the ways that I like deep condition my hair while still doing other stuff, instead of just standing in the shower and being super cold, you guys. So I hope you guys really like and enjoy this simple, quick video. Just a video of multitasking and another way to use your deep conditioning mask. You don't always have to just use it as only a deep conditioning mask, and you guys can use it actually as conditioner and then turn around and just leave it in your hair. And my hair was super soft. I loved it. And as you see, I did put castor oil on the top of it, and I am putting this wash in my ears and cleaning my ears, because you have to clean your ears as well. So I know that probably looked really weird to you guys, but I don't like to use Q-tips. You're actually not supposed to use Q-tips. Ask the doctor if you don't believe me, but you're not supposed to gem or stick those foreign objects in your ears. There is better ways for you to clean your ears. You're supposed to do it with a cloth, a damp cloth, or else do it the way that you just seen me do it. So now that my face is clean, I am going to avoid washing this deep conditioning mask down my face. I'm just going to tilt my head backwards. And yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching. Bye.